So we are back. I'm outside. What do I mean we are back? But we outside. But once again, we got some yogurt. Stop. Bro, I haven't been here in like 3 years, bro. But yeah. Ain't gonna lie. What is this? The sun. Ain't gonna lie. What?
Are you getting a speaker or not?
No.
Let's sit down so we can play Uno.
Let's play Uno.
Sit down. What is you doing, Pam? This is good.
Slow Uno rules. Yo, bro, what is this, bro? Oh no, bro. I have no thumbnail ideas, bro. Oh my god. Look at it, big. I sound like the GTA walk. GTA walk. GTA walk. Oh, wow, KD, wow. Alright. Bring the cover. Now. Bring the cover now. Oh, basketballs in here. Yeah, I got a lot. Look at the black. Destroyed exhaust. Ear exhaust. Oh my god, what is wrong with you? Pedestrians. Pedestrians. Pedestrian. I hate those things. I'll wait for that car. I know. Why is it 50 miles per hour? That's too fast, boy. Not gonna lie. Hill is like, oh my god. I have 20/24 vision. You have to look to the bottom right of the road. Really pay attention to the lines. Like brakes. Nathan, I thought Nathan was gonna be a trash driver. Scenery. Get a thumbnail. Oh, how does that car even do that? Prickly, bro. They get better at shifting. See, I did this shift right here. Crazy, bro. No downshifts. They said I broke it.